Hi guys! Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix teal blue and crystal blue semi-gloss latex paint. Teal blue is a deep blue-green color, named for the colored area around the eye of the common teal bird. It is a revitalizing and rejuvenating color that also represents the communication and clarity of thought. While crystal blue is a fan favorite but can be a contradictory color of its meaning, crystal blue represents serenity as in the color of body of the water. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button to keep updated on our more paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Okay, let's start. Our client order, 1 liter of teal blue semi-gloss latex paint. Let's start by pouring at least 50% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's add Acrylic color phthalo green. Also add gloss latex phthalo blue. Stir the paint very well. It's almost the same, just add more semi-gloss latex white, phthalo green, and phthalo blue until it's fully 1 liter. We are just a little brighter. Let's drop a small ratio of Acrylic color black to reduce the brightness. Yes, it's teal color already. Mixing accomplished. Our next order, 1 liter of crystal blue semi-gloss latex paint. First, let's start in a ½ liter ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Now let's add Acrylic phthalo blue. Stir the paint very well. Let's also add Acrylic permanent violet. Yes, it's crystal blue color. Already, mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos, have a prosperous year 2024, everyone. Thank you for watching.